Are you ready to transform the way you drive? Meet the ultimate solution for your car, the wireless CarPlay and Android Auto system. This innovative product keeps you connected while making every journey enjoyable. Say goodbye to complicated setups. This system's main function is to seamlessly connect your smartphone to your car's screen using CloudSIM, eliminating the need for a phone hotspot. Imagine enjoying these three standout benefits. First, always stay online with the built-in CloudSIM, giving you global coverage without gaps. Second, run your favorite apps effortlessly using Android 13 and OttoDrive 2.5. Lastly, enjoy hassle-free switching between wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, making your drive truly flexible. Using the product is simple. Plug it into your car's USB port and experience instant connection to CarPlay or Android Auto. Your car screen will display everything seamlessly, allowing you to access maps, music, and calls with ease. This system suits vehicles from 2016 or later with factory-wired CarPlay. It expands your driving experience beyond expectations. Picture yourself happily using other apps, creating the perfect mood for your drives, all while focused on the road. Don't just take our word for it. Customers rave about the convenience and connectivity. One user mentioned how the CloudSIM kept their journey uninterrupted across countries. Another shared how switching between apps was a breeze. In summary, this wireless CarPlay and Android Auto system offers reliable connections, powerful apps, and a hassle-free experience. Future-proof your vehicle with always updated technology through FOTA upgrades, ensuring your car stays cutting-edge without effort. Don't wait to elevate your driving experience. Click the link below to try or buy this revolutionary upgrade today.